So what I have here is an absolute beast of a backpack. This is from Lowepro, and I've been absolutely loving this for my camera work and drone work. Now, I'm excited to show you all the different compartments, so let's just dive right in. Now, this is a very sturdy backpack, which is really nice because it holds its shape. It has a lot of reinforced sort of fabric here, especially with this hard top, which helps it so if anything sort of gets hit, it will not collapse in on itself. It's got all of these really cool sort of straps and side components that you can hang different things from, which is really, really useful. It's got these side packs here so that you can fill it with a whole bunch of different camera gear and drone stuff. But let me just show you what the coolest part is. So you've got this front pocket here, which can be opened just like this. And you can basically see in, and this is a super easy to use sort of camera holder. So if you just want to take out the camera and use it, you can just put the camera and lens right in here. It's got a ton of compartments inside, as well as this really useful SD card reader. So you can hold pretty much everything you need in this front compartment. And you might think that that is pretty massive, but let me show you what's inside here. So if I flip this over just like this, you will see that you can activate this side compartment on the back, and this will allow you to open up the front here. And what you're going to see is that I've packed my entire drone in this case. So this works perfect to carry your camera. And then in the back, I have the Pro Mavic 3 drone here, which is absolutely amazing. I've got the battery compartment, I've got the remote control. Everything has been segregated, so that is really nice right there. And then I have all the chargers right here. So overall, I just love that you can have these sort of compartment holders that are super soft, and the fabric is really, really nice on them. And you can separate if you have just a bunch of cameras or you have like a drone and camera, you can use it for both. Now on the other side, you have this area here for the different papers and licenses, especially for operating a drone. I need this top here, and you can just really just use it for whatever you need, especially sticking even an iPad in the top here, which you can slide right in there. So overall, this has a ton of different zippers and compartments, so you can pretty much put whatever you want inside there. Now, the other cool thing about this is that it's got this padding in the back. So if you are taking this on long hikes, it basically allows for really great airflow through the back, so it will not get sweaty and it will not damage any of your gear. The straps are really nice and soft so that you can just wear it for really long trips, and that is pretty epic from there. You've got these clips here, which will just snap the bag together just like that, and you've got a bottom one for around the waist. So these buckles are really high quality and really help to keep this bag really sturdy on your back. Now, it's got a really nice rubber handle up at the top, which is really easy to use and to hold just like this. And it's got some really cool sort of side pocket things if you're going to put little snacks or other little knickknacks that you need to grab. This sort of wraps around your waist just like this, and you can put, say, another lens or anything that you want here. So it's really easy to grab and use. So overall, if you were looking for a really sturdy backpack, I would definitely check this one out from Lowepro. I've been absolutely loving it. It just has a great design, tons of compartments to put all of your stuff in, and great for drone and camera work.